About during the commercial breaks, Michelle, and with Pete Mangione, who's here as well, that people might be waking up saying, what's the big deal as they look out their window? But just wait, right?
Yeah, over the next couple hours, it's going to amp up, and that's going to happen very quickly. Already, the light snow has returned to the coastline. Narragansett, we can see it from our live camera there, where some light snows are flying around along with the wind starting to pick up. Temperatures along the shore already at around 30 degrees, and on the rise, Smithfield and Providence too, mid and upper 20s. We'll eventually get to temperatures that are above freezing most spots, and we'll transition over to rain. This is about 50% snow and 50% rain with this storm based on the latest track that takes it up and across Cape Cod and the Cape Cod Canal. You can see the snow again starting to make its way back to the coastline. The very heavy snowfall that we're tracking now not too far away. In fact, the leading edge of this off to the south of us and going to be filling in as it pushes north and east. Notice the very heavy rainfall in the southern half of New Jersey as it hits the colder air here in New England, that it initially falls as very heavy snow and then transitions over to rain during the afternoon. So we are under that severe weather alert with the heaviest of the snow between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. But it's during the afternoon between noon and 3 that we start to see that change to rain at the shore first by about 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the afternoon in Providence, and by 3 o'clock in the afternoon even into far northern Rhode Island. The strongest winds between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Snow and rain really starts to taper off after 5 in the evening, but we'll see some lingering lighter showers after that. So snowfall amounts similar to what we've had last couple of days. We just cut back a little bit and moved that 6 to 12 inch range further north and west. 3 to 6 inches now over Buzzards Bay, including New Bedford and even Newport. But a quick 6 to 10, maybe 12 inches of snow here in the next few hours. You got to keep in mind that those 6 to 12 inches of snow fall in a 3 to 4 hour time frame. Very heavy expected, and that's going to create those blizzard conditions. Northwestern Rhode Island has the best shot of getting 3 consecutive hours of blizzard whiteout conditions. At the coastline, you're likely to see at least some whiteout conditions here later this morning. And we're all under a winter storm warning. Providence down to the coastline, high wind warning until 6 o'clock this evening. Winds are starting to pick up. They're sustained around 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the east northeast. That's going to be our dominant wind direction here through the day today. It's going to create some coastal flooding, especially at high tide. Eastern Massachusetts, 11 o'clock this morning, right along the South County beaches may see a little splash over flooding. Notice those high winds overspreading all of us through late morning and early afternoon. So 50, 60 mile per hour wind gusts expected near the coastline during the afternoon hours and winding down through the evening. Here's our storm center sitting off of the new Virginia coastline right now. That's going to again track to south of Long Island and then over Cape Cod. And in that position, the heaviest snow, it's not going to be here in southeastern New England. The highest totals from what we were thinking, earlier over the weekend, we were talking about those 1 to 2 feet of snow possible. It's going to happen, just not here in Rhode Island or southeastern Massachusetts. Basically an area from Vermont, New Hampshire to western Massachusetts, eastern Pennsylvania, New York, going to be the bullseye of the heaviest snow with this storm. For us, we transition over to rain most spots by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Notice the intensity winding down in the evening, but still some lingering snow and rain showers. So very heavy snow here this morning near whiteout conditions. Gusts start to pick up between 45 and 60 miles per hour, and we could see some thunder snow. As we move through the afternoon, the snow changes over to rain. So I have heavy snow at noon, heavy rain at 3 in the afternoon, and some lingering showers at 6 o'clock this evening. One thing to keep in mind for tonight and tomorrow morning, temperatures tumble down below freezing. We're going to watch for black ice when you wake up tomorrow morning around 32 in the afternoon. Isolated flurry or snow shower Wednesday.